So yeah, welcome to Nekiva once again. In this video we are going to get you familiar with the platform to make it a second nature for you. When you visit Nekiva, you are greeted with a sign-in page, but let's just assume this is the very first time you are coming on here. The first thing you need to do is to sign up for the platform. So you click on sign up, then you enter your name. I like the name Nekiva, so I'll enter my name. It should be your real name, and the email should be an email address that you use. For purposes of this illustration, I have created a new email account over here, and I'm going to use that one for this particular video. So I put up that email here called project nekiva@hotmail.com. The email you put here should be a valid email. If it's not a valid email, you will not be able to join us on this platform. So the next thing is to enter your password and then repeat that password again. Then you agree to the terms and conditions, privacy policy, stuff like that. You can click on them to read about them as well, but for the purpose of this video, just to make things quicker for you, you enter your name, your email, your password, and you click on create account. And when you click on create account, the system is going to create your account on the platform, but you will need to actually go back to your email address to confirm. So it says, thank you, your sign up process is almost done. Please check your email and verify your account. Now, without verifying your account, you will not be able to log in. You will not be able to access this platform. So you go to your email address and then you look for check your inbox. Sometimes some email providers will post our email in your spam folder, like the junk here. So you see that in my situation, it came to the junk folder, junk email. If you're on Gmail, it will be your spam. So you just click on the email, you open that email. And the first thing that I will have you to do, since you are investing in this project, if the email ever went to junk, in order not to miss other subsequent communications from us, click on it's not a junk or it's not a spam, so that next communications from us will not have to go to your junk or your spam folder. Okay, so you click on that and then the email will move to your inbox. Usually that's what happens. So you click and open it again, and the email is very simple. It says, hello Nekiva. Remember, Nekiva is the name I entered there. So whatever name you entered there, it'll say that thank you for registering our platform. You're almost ready to start. Simply click the button below to continue to confirm your email address and activate your account. So what I'll do is simply click on this button, and then it will open a new page which would confirm my account. Okay. Alright, so it says, congratulations, you've successfully verified your email address and your account is now active. Please sign in to start token purchase. Alright, now I don't know if you've noticed, but all the time from the welcome page all the way to this point where you've signed in, we have our social media here, our Facebook page. So if you're on Facebook, you click on it, you can join our Facebook group, our Facebook page. You can like it. You're on Twitter, on YouTube. You have our videos being posted there and our Telegram channel. So either of them, of the platforms that you are on, you can quickly register there and you can quickly click on them and join us there and meet other people. Okay, so now that you've successfully verified your email, just click on sign in here, and then what you do is that again you enter your email address and the password that you used to register. You click on sign in. Now when you click on sign in, it's telling me that credentials do not match. That means that I probably entered a wrong password or a wrong email address. So I'm going to check that and try again. Hopefully this time around I'll get it. Okay, so obviously I am doing this video and I wasn't paying that much attention, and I may have mistyped the password. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, yeah, so I've forgotten my password. It's weird, but I have. So I just click on forgot password. Then I enter my email address again, Project Nekiva. And then I click send reset link. So the send reset link again will send a password to my email address. So it said you have emailed your password reset link. So I'll just go there, and then this is the first email that came. Okay, so if you go to, I think it went back to the junk folder again. Weird enough, Hotmail is not doing well at all. But again, I encourage you to click on it. Not junk. Yes, it's not a junk email, so that email will move to your inbox. I said reset password. Okay, so you just click on reset. Now this link is valid only for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, it will not work. Okay, so you just click on reset password over here, and then again you enter your email address, new password. Hopefully I will remember this, and then repeat the password again. Okay, so you click on reset password, and now that I've reset the password, it logs me directly into the account. Okay, so let's see that the password that I actually reset is actually working. So I'll just come here, click on that icon over there, and then I'll just log out from the account. Okay, so now let's see if I truly remember my password. I enter the email address, then my password again. Click on sign in. Voila, you are logged in. So now when you log in, you are greeted with this beautiful interface. Very beautiful interface over here. Some of the things you see at the top: dashboard, buy token, ICO distribution, transactions, profile, my token, main site. They all serve different functions. When you come down, you see buy token. You also have your token balance here. So when you make a purchase, you will see the token balance here, and then your account status, email verified. Now it says you should add receiving wallet. We will talk about that later. Now it says thank you for your interest in Nekiva. Thank you for your interest in Nekiva. You can download the white paper. Okay, so you can download the white paper over here by clicking on this to take you to a beautiful page that contains white paper over here. You can read and understand what the project is about. And so it says token sale progress, raise amount. The sale hasn't started. It still starts in 19 days as a time of recording this video. And over here we have home, how to buy, frequently asked questions, privacy policy, terms and conditions at the bottom over here. So as well as frequently asked questions, we will be updating them when we get more questions which are frequent to put out there for you. So what can you do once you have registered and logged into your account like this? Well, the first thing you can do is you may want to buy a token. So you click on buy token. This buy token here and the buy token here, they serve the same purpose. But you notice that it says sale starts at 30th November 2021. We are not ready to sell yet, so you will not be able to buy, but you can still play around. We see that you can purchase minimum 500 NKV. So 500 NKV, then you scroll down and then you click on purchase to take you to the next page, and you follow suit. The more you purchase, your bonuses increases. So assuming I purchase 50,000, now I am qualified for some bonus, because remember over here that once you purchase 10,000 NKV, we give you 5% extra bonus. 100,000 NKV, 10% extra bonus, and a million NKV, you get 15% extra bonus added to your token. That aside, if somebody had referred you to the platform, if you register directly into the platform, you will not get this benefit. The benefit I'm about to talk about, this one you will get, but there is also another benefit that we have at the referral section. So if you refer somebody and the person invest or purchase the token, the Nekiva token, you, the person who referred the individual, you get 5% of the amount of token the person purchased, and the person you referred would also get additional 5%. But if somebody invited you to the platform and you don't want the person to get referral profit and stuff, so you come directly to purchase or to register without using the referral link, then what's going to happen is that you will not get that particular referral bonus. Although as for this refer bonuses here you would get. Okay, so when the ICO starts, which is starting on in 19 days, 17 hours, 2 minutes and 6 seconds, you would be able to take advantage of this. At the moment, you can purchase with Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin. You add other cryptocurrencies, but generally speaking, these are some of the most popular coins out there that you'll be able to have and purchase and give away. Now, another key thing that is important is that after you've purchased your NKV, you would have to store it in your own wallet. Once we send it to you, it is yours, it is your responsibility, and you need to take care of it. So over here, it's telling you add your wallet address before you buy. Everywhere you go, until you add the wallet address, that notification is not going to be it is not going to disappear. You see your under your account, this is says receiving wallet, add your wallet address. So you can click on add. Now when you come to add, it's telling you that you need a wallet that is ERC20 compliant. Okay, so ERC20 compliant and BEP20 compliant, they are similar. So I'm going to show you how to come about it. If you're on mobile, I just encourage you to go to the Play Store and download MetaMask. That is the easiest wallet to use. When you download MetaMask, you can come back and follow with the steps. If you're on PC, if you're on a computer like my own, I just encourage you to go to the web store. So on Chrome, this is the web store. On Chrome, you can just enter chrome.google.com. chrome.google.com /web store. And it should open this beautiful page here for you to be able to access the extensions. But now once you scroll down a bit, this is why we are looking for MetaMask. Maybe in your situation, MetaMask may not show directly there. So you just come here, search the store over there. So you just type in MetaMask, okay? And then you search. So this is what we are looking for. MetaMask wallet offered by metamask.io. That's the wallet you are looking for. So you just click on it and then add to Chrome. If you're on Firefox, it's a similar process. Just make sure you get to the web store of the browser you are using, and then you add the plugin to it. It says add MetaMask. Yes, add. Then check in. To take some few steps to download some file here automatically and then install the application. So as this is going on, let's go back to Nekiva and familiarize ourselves with the user dashboard. Okay, so the ICO distribution, these are important things. You will only distribute the coins after the cycle has passed. So in the private sale, after the private sale has ended, anybody who made purchase will receive their coins in their wallet. This is why it is crucial that your wallet address is correct. If you enter a wrong wallet address, once we send the coins to that wallet, you will not be able to recover the coins. So if you enter the wrong wallet address, in this case, you will lose out. So please ensure that you have the right wallet address in your account. Okay, so that is important. Alright, so MetaMask is done. It's installed on my browser now and it's asking me to go through a few processes. Okay, so just click on get started. Now, if you already have MetaMask, you can import here, but we are starting a new thing. So let's just go to create a wallet. It's talking about a number of things here. You just basically agree to all of them, and then you enter your password, which must be minimum 8 characters. So I'm done with mine. And okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm done with mine. Now click on create account. So when you click on create account, on the next page, it's a short video here you can watch. It's just showing you how to use your recovery seed phrase and how to keep your wallet safe. It is important you watch this video if you are not familiar with MetaMask, but we are. So you just click on next, and then here it says secret recovery phrase. Now this phrase is very, very important. When you miss out, when you lose your password on your MetaMask account, this is the phrase that you are going to use to restore your account. If you lose this phrase, everything is gone, and nobody in this world can help you. Okay, so we're just going to store ours in a decent text editor. I don't recommend you do this. The best option is for you to just chew it into your head. Make sure that you are able to remember it, and when doomsday comes, it will be able to save your ass. Okay, so we save it, but what I've done here, what it means is that anybody who have access to my computer and copies this file can eventually have access to every crypto that I have in my MetaMask portfolio. It's dangerous, so try to keep it in a form like a sheet of paper that you hide in a safe place. Nobody can have access to it, but do not hide it so much that you yourself you forget where you've placed it. Okay, so we go to next, and now next is asking us if you truly remember our secret phrase. These guys are not joking, they mean business. Okay, so the first one is cover, so I'll click it in dot order, then pretty. Okay, then lawyer indoor cable, so we go lawyer indoor and then cable, then we go to virus stereo glimpse, then we go to own slam ability required, so we go to own slam ability required, then it says confirm, so we confirm. It says congratulations, we are done. We now have our MetaMask working for us. Okay, so by default you have 0 Ethereum in there, but our token is based on the Binance Smart Chain. So what is going to happen here is that you're going to come to custom RPC, and then you're going to add this information over there. Okay, so custom RPC. Okay, so a quick Google check how to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask will give you some information. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so what is it? Okay, so network name should be, so at the network name you just enter Smart Chain. Okay, then Smart Chain or Binance Smart Chain. Okay, then RPC, you copy this over here, data center dataset. Okay, so your RPC chain link 56 as shown over there, and then the currency is optional. Okay, so you click on save. Okay, so once you click on save, you are now on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, now on the Binance Smart Chain, I didn't add the block explorer. Okay, so let me go back and do it again. Okay, so you come to custom RPC, then block explorer is here, and network name is Smart Chain. You add the Smart Chain, you add the RPC URL, and then you add the chain link, and then okay, so then that's my name, and then RPC So you just add this and then save. Okay, so let us see it. Currency. Airbnb, save. Okay, so what you have is okay. So now what we have here is 0 BNB. Okay, but we've now connected to the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, I will leave the document below. You can just check it out. Okay, so now having connected to the Binance Smart Chain, you copy this address. Copy to so you just copy this address. Then you come to your account here. Okay. So like I said, you can add over here. Also, you can go to the dashboard and then you add receive a wallet. Okay, then you enter it here and then you click on add wallet. Alright, so now you've added your wallet. So if you lose access to the wallet before the end of the ICO, you can come here and change it. Okay, you just request for change and then we will get it done for you. Okay, enter the information and it's done. So basically, that is the main thing you have to do over here. The website is awesome. If you go to the main site over here, you will read a bit about Nekiva and the timelines that we have here, the token contract address. Okay, so now that we have MetaMask on our browser, we should be able to receive the Nekiva tokens. But by default, before the project becomes popular, when we send the Nekiva tokens, it will be in your wallet, but you will not see it. But if you want to see it, you just go to import tokens, and then when you click on import tokens, again on the MetaMask, you have select Binance Smart Chain. Remember that there are several chains. We have the Ethereum mainnet over here, which is this. Then we have the Binance Smart Chain over here. So you just click on under asset, not activity. Under asset, you just click on import tokens. When you click on import tokens, you remember that at the home page, we've entered the token contract address here. In fact, if you click on this, it will take you to the Binance. There's Binance Smart Chain, the scan over there. Okay, and you will see a lot of information about the token and stuff like that. Okay, so the token contract is here as well. You can copy this, but it's already here, so you could just copy this as well, and then you come to MetaMask, then you paste the token contract address. But you want to paste the token contract address over here, Binance Smart Chain, quickly get the token symbol, the token decimal place, then you just click on add custom tokens. Then you see that right now I've not sent any NKV to this wallet, so you have 0 NKV over here. Then you click on import tokens. Okay, so now you've imported your tokens, you go back, you realize that now you have 0 BNB and 0 NKV tokens here. When you have some tokens in here, you can send, but obviously you don't have. So what I'm going to do is to run a test and send some NKV. Send some NKV from a MetaMask wallet address so that you can have an idea of what we are talking about. So assuming this is your account and this is your account, how do you benefit from it and stuff like that. So let me just quickly open my Firefox browser and go and get my MetaMask open here. And MetaMask is one of the best things to ever happen to the decentralized ecosystem. Log in into my MetaMask wallet and okay, so by default it opens with a Ethereum mainnet. Let's just switch to the Binance Smart Chain. So to switch to the Binance Smart Chain again, you just click here, then you come in, then you select your Binance Smart Chain. Again, when you come to home and you click on the token contract address, you see that the total tokens is 500 million here. holders are 2 now. It was a test transaction, and you see that it happened 6 days ago. So total quantity, and this was the 100 that was transferred. Okay, so once I transfer to this other address, you see that it will be 3. So even with the project popularity and stuff, so you can be checking here. Nobody has to deceive you as to what exactly is going on. So okay, let's go back to my MetaMask, my lovely MetaMask, and then transfer something. Okay, so all right, so remember our address, the address that we posted here. This is it, right? So let's just copy that address, because this is what is going to be receiving the BNB. So let's just copy it, and then we come to our MetaMask over. We just paste that address over there, and then let's give this some 100 NKVs, and then let's go to next. Transfer, new address detected, blah 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 blah, all stuff like that. Okay, so I'll be paying this plus blah 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 blah, some fees here and stuff. So we just confirm. Okay, so it says that pending. So we have sent it, but the network has to confirm it. Okay, so when we send the transactions, this basically is what's going to happen. Now it's already been confirmed 2 transactions on Etherscan. So let's go to the other MetaMask wallet address and see if this individual is actually receiving it. So as of now, all right, 100 kV over here. So you can see 0 BNB and then 100 NKV over here. So this is what happens once we've sent the transactions to you like this. We have absolutely no control over it. You should be the one. You should be the one monitoring and then making sure that you have access to this account, because when you lose this account, nobody can help you. Okay, so that is it. So this person I have 100 NKV over here, and when we go to, like I said, you can track what is going on. It says initially 2 addresses. If you should refresh this page right now, it says that 3 addresses, 3. Okay, and it says a minute ago there was a transfer. Okay, 100. So these are test transactions to just let you know that everything that we are doing is transparent and it is available on the blockchain, and there is nothing at all for you to worry about. So that is it. What else we can talk about has to do with getting more from Nekiva. Any project success at all has to do with the people involved. I believe that this project is going to be great, but it cannot be great without people like you. So if you believe the project and you think it's going to be great, come to the profile section of your account, and then you click on under your referral link, you click on it here. Okay, you copy it to your clipboard. You just copy it to your clipboard, and then you share with your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, your family members, Telegram. Share with them, let them register. When people register under you, you'll be able to earn 5% from their referral commissions, and they also earn another 5%. If they register direct, they don't get referral commissions when they purchase, but if they register under you, you get 5%, they get 5%. So it's a win-win. Nobody loses out on this. Now if you come to mine token here, you'll see the NKV balance and stuff like that. Now you do not see the 100 NKV showing here in this particular account because the transaction didn't happen across Nekiva platform. Okay, but assuming it was a purchase here that was being honored from here, then it will show over here. Okay, so those are a few things to take note. And as usual, if you have questions, our Telegram groups are open, Facebook groups are open. You should ask questions, get to know and understand the platform for yourself, and make the best that you can out of it. This is Nekiva, and I believe this project is going to be awesome. As usual, anytime you are done, you click here. Any day you go onto your referral, you'll see how many people have actually registered under you. Over here it says no one yet. So this is your referral link again. Here we talk about the referral commissions. You earn 5% reward from the referrals, and you or she earns extra 5% bonus for using your referral link to register. So it's a win-win. Get your families involved, get your friends involved, and don't forget to log out. when you are done. I'll see you in the next one.